Okay guys, Carter cut here. Just showing a little video guys of what I'm going to do. See, this is a 4-inch diameter here, cut out. This is a vice car, 4-inch vice car. And what I'm doing, I'm putting it on there because this measured 4-inch. I'm not gonna use this because this is more than 4. This is more than 4-inch if I measure it with this here to make the cutout. So even if it cut close, I can, get a scissors and cut out that little piece. I think that's right, and I turn this around. I'm gonna get the measurement from here to here, and that's how I'm gonna cut this out, guys. So you guys see what's going on there. So that voice coil is not gonna go in this speaker. This voice coil is good, and these are dual 2 ohms. Yeah, these are dual 2 ohms for the sub. So yeah, as you see, guys, I clean it up like that. Yeah, that's really good. That's how you should clean it up, guys. So, yep. So that's it. So I'm moving on now to make that cutout and let you guys see what's going on. So just letting you guys see step by step what I'm doing, because I would do it now, but the phone, guys, I don't mean where to bolt this phone, and so that's why I'm doing this. This is my phone right now. I could, let me see if I could, because I'm using the back camera, and if I could turn it around real quick. Yikes, let me do this again. This one is a new phone, I don't know really how to operate it. I could show you I cut it out, but just that, guys, and I'm gonna make the cutout now. So I made the cutout and get back with you guys. So yeah, that looks about good, don't, guys? Can I cut it right there, don't? Yeah, it looks good to me right there. So yeah, I'm gonna do it, make the cutout, and get back to you guys and see how well it sits. And all right.